swings it over to LeBron. And getting behind the defense. Oh, goodness. That's why they did one game at home before you head back out on the road. It's very different. You know, it's time. The 20-year-old. See Scotty going nicely with the left hand jump hook. Why? I do not know why that first game back home was very difficult. Westbrook on a kick out into the corner. Gabriel starts off hot. Raptors with numbers. And Scotty lost the foul.
Yo, oh,
Westbrook. Trent Jr. draws a crowd. Here's Barnes with Gabriel on him. Trent now puts
nope,
it on the deck.
nope, nope. We'll put it on the blender. Put him in a blender. I heard Russell Westbrook went nuts. He went nuts this game. 22 points, 22 points, triple double. I'm streaming this game right now. I don't know what's happening in this game, but I see a lot of people saying Russell went crazy, 22 points, triple double. I'm trying to see for myself. Yes, man. Stanley Johnson, you gotta hit those, boy. Who's Gabriel? Oh, Gabriel, Wayne Gabriel, the Kings, the draft him. I know him. I just think about his name, man. Gabriel, yeah, that tall, dark skinned ass boy. He's super dark. And one, okay, talk your stuff, boy, talk your stuff. Yeah, Russell. Yes, sir. That's how you need to play every time, Brody. Tell these niggas to stop talking bull crap about you. You cold, boy. Russell Westbrook cold. He's a good point. And one, the king. LeBron, boy. Best player on this planet, boy. Fuck you nigga talking about. They can make the plane, bro. The Lakers can make the plane. Gary Trent Jr., I see you, boy. Come on, Russell. Nice pass. Yes, sir. You gotta facilitate, man. Facilitate it, man. Come on, man. I see you, boy. No, sir. Who? Come on, LeBron. Yes, sir. The best player on this hurt, boy. Fuck that nigga talking about. Nice reverse, boy. Nick Barnes. See you, boy. No, sir. Okay, big Scotty. Talk your shit, boy. Ooh, little shifty. I like that. Barnes. Yeah, man. This game was. This game was lit, man. It was litty. It was litty as shit. Yeah, man. He won. Yes, sir. Get. Oh, do I see you, boy? To get your money down there, boy. Oh, see, I come Pascal, that African dude. He's super black too. He's a black nigga. Come on, bro. Show these boys. How many boy, talk your shit, boy. Hammer that nigga, boy. This was a good game. It was going on back and forth with it. Yeah, Rock, we need to pull that boy. Pull it. 3 point. Yes, like it. Yeah, go back to your OKC day. Fucking yeah. Start ball out. Yeah, man. Come on, Gabriel. Yes, sir. Pass it to the king, man. Love King James. Pull it. You better pull it. You're wide open, nigga. Pull that motherfucking body. Do a Westbrook move, eh? Ain't no Russell Westbrook move. My boy, run. Can we see that one more time? King James, boy. You finish it. Put it off in a blender. Bucket. Here, Bradley, boy. Y'all niggas don't play. Yes, man. I didn't give. Yeah, man. Scotty, best brother, Scotty Barnes. Nice. Put that shit in the blender, boy. Whew, that was a tough shot. Turnaround three. That's tough. This is a good game. I see your Barnes. Block and foul. They call that shit now. They call that shit on. Almost a steal right there. LeBron. Good follow, boy. I see you down there, boy. I see Barnes, boy. Gary Trent doing out the last shot. Nah, they lose this game. Oh, Drake, that's Drake. I said, Drake, hold on. If you don't get your whole life on, King James with the last shot, boy. Shooting G shot, my last shot, boy. Drake, who? Man, fuck Drake. Fuck Drake. You fuck up. Ooh, like a move, boy. Step in it, and then you step out. I'm gonna see that again, man. Lock his ass up. We'll get him more. Ooh, no. Lock his ass up. Ooh, give me that boy. What's boy? Back to Thunder Deal. Yes, sir. Brody with the last shot. Nigga talking about boy. The rookie, Austin Reeves. Yes, sir. Good shit. Oh, overtime. Damn. And nigga went to overtime with the Raptors. Good shit, boy. Man, Gary Trent Jr. better get his ass on somewhere, boy. LeBron. 35. Oh, LeBron. I ain't know LeBron went off like that. Yeah, 35. I'm off to look at the stacks after this video. You drop a line, fam. How your boy? And also, comment, man, what you think? Ooh, I see you, boy. Gary, boy. Yo. I see you. Who that? That's Malik Monk. Aaron Bradley. Oh, Melo didn't play. What happened to Melo? I'm on to look it up. Melo better get his ass out there, boy. No call. The ref be bullshitting. They fought Aaron Bradley. LeBron missed that on purpose. He missed it on purpose. It was a good game and beat them by 5. Peace, man. Make sure you like, comment this, and subscribe to the channel.